Hey YouTube, it's Jess and I'm here with a new video. I'm gonna try something different today. I'm gonna do my sinking fund tracker sheet and use this to kind of determine how much I'm gonna put into each account. For today's budget, we are budgeting with I guess I'll put it right here, $461. So that's the amount that I have to distribute among my sinking funds and variable expenses. All right, so we'll see how that goes. So I think that I am going to, I'm so used to Procreate that makes a straight line for you. So that's as good as it's gonna get for now. And I just realized that the spacing here is a lot smaller than the rest of them, but we'll fix that eventually. So family, then we have beauty. And I think this should be in the order that my envelopes are. So it makes it a little easier. Kids, clothes. I should try to write nicer, shouldn't I? For you guys. Gifts. Then we have car, health, vacation, Christmas, aftercare, back to school. I am no longer, well, then I have back to school. Aria, Elias, hubby, Jess, and I believe that I'm missing investing, which is supposed to go up there somewhere. I am missing another fund. I just realized that is gas. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. We'll pretend like that fits in there. So for gas is always going to be $41 by the looks of it. That amount so far is working out for me. A portion of it is tolls. The remaining balance is the gas that I need for each week. Gas as of late, at least where I'm at, has been $3.05 or up. It's ridiculous, but I need gas in order to get to work, so it is what it is. Groceries, I always do $100 per person in my family. For the month, makes sense, so currently it's $400. I tend to have money left over, but we do shop from time to time at big sort of warehouse places, and then the amount that I have surplus technically gets used there to buy bulkier things such as paper towels, toilet paper, snacks. I like to buy snacks there, like individually wrapped snacks on the go. I try to limit, I mean, that's another way that I save money. I try to use those snacks for when we're out, for my diaper bag, things like that. And then for the house, I tend to buy like box snacks where we'll have to like pour it out ourselves. All right, so next up we have spending, and spending this week I'm only getting $25. My spending is also miscellaneous. I use that to buy any sort of knickknacks, little things that we need, any unexpected purchases. Sometimes I use it to, my spending is also used to buy household products like cleaners and stuff like that if I don't have any, or sometimes I'll use it to as additional money whenever we go to big warehouse places. So next up is family, and in family this week we are putting in $20. Family is, as of late, is really used for Uber Eats and eating out, delivery sort of services. We haven't really been out much due to COVID. We're trying to limit our interactions with other people. For now, it's we're only putting in $20. Hopefully when conditions improve, we'll be more open to going out and doing more activity. For beauty, we are putting $13 this week. I use beauty for mostly toiletries, sort of, face creams, things of that sort, shampoo, conditioner, nail polish, beauty related things. I haven't been to a nail salon in the longest. I will be using my spending for that because I honestly don't have enough money in beauty to even think about getting my nails done. But that's mainly what I'll use it for. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to put more money and we'll use it towards getting our you know, spa, beauty, things of that nature, saving up to do that because I don't anticipate that being a monthly thing either. Next up we have kids, and in the kids fund this week we're putting in $7. For kids fund, it's for anything related to the kids. If I buy them any random little toy, diapers and wipes that my son uses, things of that nature. Next up, for clothes, we're putting in $8. I like to save up for when we need clothes, such as shoes or random little things here and there. Thankfully, my daughter's using uniform, so it's less clothes that I need because during the week she's wearing her uniform, so that's really helpful. Next up we have gifts, and for gifts this week we're only putting in $1. My gift fund is it's at a good point. We have car, and for car I'm putting in $35 this week. And again, my car, I've mentioned it before, but it's car maintenance, and I'm trying to save up to pay my car insurance ahead 6 months because I do save a little bit by doing that. So that's kind of my goal, to be ahead, and that way I'll save some money along with having it paid off for 6 months and not having to worry about it. Next we're doing health, and for my health fund this week we're putting in $5. Then next up we have our vacation, and in our vacation fund we're putting in $30. Then we have Christmas, and Christmas I'm putting in $30 as well. I'm at a really good point in Christmas, so I'm not too worried. I believe that I have enough to buy like my immediate family and the kids stuff. And now I'm kind of more saving for everyone kind of outside of my extended family. So I'm not as worried. Next up we have Aftercare, and this is a new fund with the kids starting school. So in Aftercare this week I am putting in $100. Then we have back to school, and back to school I'm not putting in anything. Then we have my daughter's fund, and in her fund I'm putting in $10. Then we have my son's fund, and in my son's fund I'm putting in $10. Then we have my husband's fund, and he's getting $6, and so am I. And my fund as well. And then in investing I am putting in $12 this week.
I'm not sure I understand.
I don't either. The total $461, so let's do the math and see if we are correct. $59. Yeah, I forgot. I have $459, and I know why, because I forgot Kempa. And Kempa is my dog, and he's getting $2. And that's the $2 that I'm missing, so it should be $461 now. So that is my budget for this week. I will be doing my cash stuffing soon because I already went to the bank and got the money. So keep an eye out for that video. It should be coming out shortly after this. And that's it. So we have a total of $461. I don't know how I feel about this, but hopefully if you like it and can see it, then we'll use it. I'll probably use the same thing to track down my balances, and see how that goes. I'm still probably gonna use my reusable little binder book, but I want to kind of give this a try and see how I like it. I love planners, and I have my full budget planner is mainly, I've attempted digital, but I do like the pencil feel of it. So my budget binder is actually a Happy Planner budget binder. What I do is I resize the pages and I put them into my binder and then just punch them in and use them. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.